Welcome to the AgileWoW podcast, your trusted partner in Agile, Scrum, artificial intelligence training, coaching, and innovation. AgileWoW is on a mission to build communities, empower professionals, and accelerate the learning curve, one conversation at a time. Visit our website, www.agilewow.com, or drop a note to support@agilewow.com, or WhatsApp at +91 8368 865197 for more details. All right, let's dive in. Today, we're tackling the massive transformation happening in the world of product ownership.
And we're going to start with the big elephant in the room question that I know is on everyone's mind. Is AI actually coming for the product owner's job? Or is that the wrong question entirely? Is the real story here about how AI is going to augment the role, turning already great POs into, well, basically superpowered leaders? To really get this, we first have to set the stage. Let's take a quick look at the traditional product owner role, which, as you know, has always been a really tough balancing act. Traditionally, product owners have kind of operated like a seasoned chef. They use their instincts, their experience, some handwritten recipes, and it works, but it's so heavily reliant on personal experience and intuition to make those critical decisions. A great way to think about this traditional approach is like trying to navigate a brand new city with nothing but an old school paper map. The whole process is just so manual and incredibly time intensive, right? You're gathering requirements in endless meetings, trying to prioritize a backlog based on gut feeling or, let's be honest, whoever is the loudest voice in the room. It's a world of manual surveys, scanning competitor websites by hand, and making huge calls with pretty limited and often outdated data. And this really gets to the heart of the problem. A paper map, it'll get you there. Eventually. But man, it is inefficient. You're absolutely going to miss better routes, and it is way too easy to just make a wrong turn and get totally lost. So what's the alternative? Let's talk about upgrading. Let's explore this new reality of the AI-powered product owner, who's not using a paper map. No, they're navigating with the equivalent of Google Maps. Now, this is not a replacement. It is an augmentation. This is about giving the product owner superpowers. Imagine using AI to predict what your customers want before they even tell you, or applying data models to prioritize your backlog with total confidence, or automating that tedious competitor analysis, or even getting generative AI to draft your initial user stories. It's a game changer. Suddenly, you're not just following some static map anymore. You've got real-time traffic data, you've got alternative routes, you've got intelligent suggestions popping up. The entire journey of product development just becomes so much smoother, faster, and a whole lot smarter. Just a quick reminder, this explainer is brought to you by AgileWoW. If you're looking to level up your skills, check out our upcoming workshops on product management, agile leadership, and artificial intelligence. Visit www.agilewow.com for more details. Okay, so let's really put these two approaches head to head. I want you to see the difference clearly. Just look at this. The shift you see across the board is dramatic. We go from decisions based on a gut feeling to decisions backed by actual predictive insights. Customer understanding moves from static, old surveys to real-time sentiment tracking. Every single piece of the job becomes faster, smarter, and way more data-driven. And look, this isn't just some theoretical, nice-to-have upgrade. This is a necessary evolution. Your customers now expect personalized experiences. The business is demanding you get to market faster than ever. And your competitors? You better believe they're already adopting AI-first strategies. Sticking to the old way is literally like insisting on using a flip phone in a world that's built for smartphones. We cover this shift from control to coaching deeply in AgileWoW's Agile Leadership Training. So this brings us all the way back to our first question, but now we have a much clearer perspective. It's not about replacement. It is all about a powerful partnership. So let's ask it one more time, now that we've seen the evidence. And the answer is a definitive, resounding no. You see, AI provides the data, but the human provides the wisdom. Here's the crucial point, right here. The AI is handling the what. It's bringing the raw data, the analytical insights, the automation, the speed. This frees up the human product owner to focus on the uniquely human why. Things like empathy to truly understand a customer's pain, judgment to weigh complex trade-offs, context to align with the bigger business strategy, and of course, leadership to inspire the team.
I love this pilot and co-pilot analogy because it just captures the new dynamic perfectly. The AI co-pilot is constantly feeding you information, it's warning you about turbulence, it's optimizing the flight path, but you, the human pilot, are always in command. You are the one making the final strategic calls. So what does this actually mean for you? You're probably thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how do I get there? Well, here is your actionable roadmap to becoming an AI-powered PO.
And you can start this journey today. Seriously, begin by just learning the fundamentals, then start experimenting with some of the tools that are already out there. You can start small, maybe by bringing some AI-generated insights into your next backlog refinement. And always, always, always focus on using this technology ethically and responsibly. If you're looking to get certified, AgileWoW has a great ecosystem for learners. Check out our Grand Slam offer. It's seriously worth it.
So, this leaves us with one final thought. In this incredibly fast-changing landscape, you have a choice to make. Are you going to be the paper map, or are you going to be the Google Maps? Which tool will you choose to navigate the future? Thanks for tuning in to the podcast supported by AgileWoW. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow the podcast, leave us a review, and share it with your team. And if you want to advance your Agile journey, check out AgileWoW's upcoming trainings, events, and workshops, all designed to help you grow faster, smarter, and together. Until next time, stay agile, stay curious.